This is Dr. Praveen Ramchandra. I work in Arc Hospital, Yelahanka, Newtown, Bangalore. In this video, I will be talking to you about vaccination in children. What's the status at present in India and abroad? So, COVID-19 pandemic, one of the best invention of modern medicine is vaccination. Within a year, we are able to get the vaccination since the COVID pandemic started. So the COVID-19 can be made to come to an end by vaccination of the majority of our people on the planet Earth. So the vaccination is very useful to prevent deaths and severe complications like admitting for ICU admission. In this segment, I will be talking about the children's and vaccination. The children, many people ask, in first wave there were not many children who got affected, and even if they get, the severity will be not that much. So why is there is a need of vaccination in children? So the answer could be, in majority, in second wave also, although there is an increased number of children getting affected in second wave also, the 95% of the children will have a very mild COVID infection, but 5% can have a severe infection. That's one thing. And another phenomenon what is observed in the second wave is something known as MIS-C, a multi-system inflammatory disorder found in children, MIS-C. This complication is increasingly recognized, and the incidence of this post-COVID complication is increasingly being seen. So, vaccinating these children will help avoiding this complication, one thing. And second thing, children, although they don't get severe disease, majority of them, but they can still transmit the disease from one person to another person. The elderly in the home can get affected by COVID infection if the children become the mode of transmission. So that's another reason why the vaccination should cover children also. Now the question comes, which all vaccines are approved in India? Which vaccine to give to children? See, when the initial trials were done, only the people with 18 years and above are included in the research. So we don't have any safety and efficacy data in children. However, Bharat Biotech is doing the Covaxin trial in children. So once we get the safety and efficacy data in children or childhood age group, then it will be included in immunization program in India. The next question would be, anywhere else in the world children are being vaccinated? Answer is yes. Like for example, USA, the Pfizer mRNA vaccine has been studied in the children more than 12 years and above, and is found to be very safe, and it is being routinely given to children who are more than 12 years. That's the one vaccine which is approved. And India also has now approved Pfizer to be marketed, vaccine to be marketed in India. So if you get Pfizer mRNA vaccine in future, that will be one option for us. As of now, either Covishield, Covaxin or Sputnik, which we are having in Indian market, does not have the safety and efficacy data in children, so it cannot be given to the children with these three vaccines. So many parents are delaying their children's routine vaccines like MMR, DPT and BCG, etc. That should not be done, because either there is a lockdown or pandemic, still you have to try maximum that the particular age, particular other vaccines should be given without fail, because in some countries where they have delayed these vaccines which were routine to the children, it is seen that disease like measles have shot down. That's one thing. And in future, whenever you get vaccinated, you should not let go of the social distancing norms, because none of the vaccination we have are 100% efficacious, and we don't know how long the vaccine immunity lasts. That data also we to get, and we don't know whether booster is required or not. Lacking this information, my recommendation would be try to continue social distancing norm, like distancing yourself from the crowded place, wearing mask and hand sanitizer, etc. And another question I frequently I get asked is, if the person or child has got COVID infection already, should you go for vaccination and when should you go? The answer would be the after you are completely recovered from the infection and the symptoms, after from that day you have to wait for 3 more months, 90 days, then only you can go for the vaccines. Thank you.